Hey guys, I hope you are fine. My name is MD and you are watching MD Tech. So before I start the video, I want to tell you one fact. Do you know that snails can change their gender whenever they want? Wow, what a magic of nature. Today we will talk about Mi Mix 3, which is recently launched in China and will be launched soon in India. Now let us see the looks of this phone. Now let us take a look at specifications of this phone. The phone comes with a 6.39-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2340 pixels. The Mi Mix 3 is powered by octa-core processor, and it comes with 6 GB of RAM. The phone packs 128 GB of internal storage that cannot be expanded. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Mi Mix 3 packs a 12-megapixel primary camera and a 12-megapixel secondary camera on the rear. On the front it packs a 24-megapixel primary camera and a 2-megapixel secondary camera. The Mi Mix 3 is powered by a 3850 mAh non-removable battery. The Mi Mix 3 is a dual-SIM smartphone that accepts nano SIM, and nano SIM connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, active 4G on both SIM cards, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include fingerprint sensor, compass/magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope. The processor is Snapdragon 845 and it works on 8.1 Oreo. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.